To initiate a wire transfer to a brokerage account, start by opening the app and clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile, where you'll find a Transfer button at the very bottom. Click on this button, and you'll see your linked account displayed. If you haven't linked an account yet, you can do so by clicking Add Account and entering your bank details. Once your account is linked, you can proceed with the transfer by clicking on Transfer Money at the top of the screen. From there, enter the amount you'd like to transfer and select the account you're transferring from, in this case, your bank account. The brokerage account information will be automatically filled in. Review the transfer details, confirm the amount, and click Transfer to complete the process. This should successfully initiate a wire transfer to your account.